Hello everyone. Now in Become Semester 6, Unit number 1, we are going to start our new chapter, that is probability. Okay. See, first of all, we have to learn the word probability. What do you mean by probability? Okay. In general, probability means events based on chance, or if we can't predict any kind of result in advance, it is called probability. In general, there are three types of event. First event is called certain event. Second event is called impossible event. And third event is called based on chance. Okay. See, here we are taking some examples. See, the first event, the sun will rise in the east. Obviously, sun is rise always in the east, so it is certain event. Second one is given a flower taken from a basket full of roses is a rose. તો રોજથી ભરેલી બાસ્કેટમાંથી આપણે એક ફ્લાવર લઈએ તો એ રોજ હોવાનું. It is also a certain event. Okay, third one is given by an apple falling from the tree will go up. So an apple falling from the tree will go up. It is impossible event. It is not possible. Okay, ફ્લાવર સોરી એપલ જે છે ટ્રી ઉપરથી પડે તો ઉપર જતું નથી. A ball is taken from a bag containing white balls is a black ball. It is also impossible event because એક બેગમાં જો વ્હાઇટ બોલ હોય તો એમાંથી આપણે બ્લેક બોલ ડ્રો કરી શકતા નથી. Okay, now see the fifth number. A coin is tossed. Here we can't say anything in advance because we either get head or a tail. So this event is based on chance. And sixth one is a card is drawn from pack of cards. Again, it is based on chance because we get any number out of any card out of 52 cards. In short, we can say that the events based on chance or the results of an event cannot be predicted in advance. It is called probability. Okay, now before we start probability, we have to learn some important terms, and it is most important terms uh, from point of view of our examination and also for our practical service. Okay, first one is random experiment or trial. Okay, an experiment which can result any one out of several possible outcomes is called a random experiment. એટલે કે એવો experiment કે તેના result તમને એડવાન્સમાં ખ્યાલ હોય એમાંથી કોઈ પણ એક result આવે તો એને આપણે random experiment કહીશું. For example, tossing a coin is random experiment. Okay, you know, if we toss a coin we get the results head or tail. Okay, તો આ બે રિઝલ્ટ જે છે હેડ એન્ડ ટેલ એમાંથી કોઈ પણ રિઝલ્ટ આપણને મળી શકશે. ડ્રોઈંગ અ કાર્ડ ફ્રોમ પેક ઓફ 52 cards is a random experiment. If we draw any card from 52 cards, we get any card out of 52 cards. It is also a random experiment. બરાબર, તો 52 cards નો આપણે experiment કરીએ તો એમાં 52 માંથી જ કોઈ એક card આવશે. Throwing a die is also a random experiment. Okay, when we throw a die, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay, in short, we get any number out of 1 to 6 when we throw a die. Okay, now see characteristics of random experiment. Okay, the experiment results in any one of the outcomes or several possible outcomes. પણ આપણે કહી શકીએ તો રિઝલ્ટ કયું આવશે તો કે કોઈ પણ જે આ ટોટલ રિઝલ્ટ છે એમાંથી એક રિઝલ્ટ આપણને એન્ડ ઓફ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ મળશે. All possible outcomes of the experiment can be described in advance. Okay, તો બધા આઉટકમ્સ આપણે એડવાન્સમાં કહી શકીએ. જેમ કે અહીંયા આપણે કોઈન ટોસ કરીએ તો બેમાંથી કોઈ પણ રિઝલ્ટ આવી શકે. અહીંયા આપણે 52 કાર્ડ્સનો એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ લઈએ તો we get any card out of 52 cards, and when we throw a die we get any number out of 1 to 6. તો આપણે રિઝલ્ટ એના ક્યાં ક્યાં હશે એ પણ આપણે એડવાન્સમાં કહી શકીએ. નંબર 3, the experiment can be repeated under a same condition. તો એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ છે એને ગમે તેટલી વખત તમે રિપીટ પણ કરી શકો છો. And the results of experiments cannot be predicted correctly in advance. તો આ કોઈ પણ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ જે છે એનું રિઝલ્ટ આપણે એડવાન્સમાં કહી શકતા નથી. That is called random experiment. Okay. Okay. Our next definition is sample space. Okay. A set representing all possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space, and it is denoted by S or U. Each outcome is called sample points. Okay. For example, tossing a coin. We get either head or a tail means total possible outcomes of random experiment is called sample space. Okay, see another example. Here we are tossing two coins simultaneously and we get HH, HT, TH, TT. That is called sample space. Okay, if we throw a die, we get any number out of 1 to 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It is called sample space of a die. Sorry, sample space when a die is rolled. Okay, we are taking one more example. When a coin and a die throw together. What is sample space? When a coin and a die is rolled together. Okay. On coin we get either head or a tail, and on dice we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 number. Okay. So what is sample space? When coin and dice are thrown together, we get H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, H7, sorry, not H7, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, and T6. Okay. It is called sample space when a die and a coin is thrown together. Okay. So I hope કે તમને sample space ખ્યાલ આવ્યો છે. All possible outcomes of a random experiment is called sample space, as well as when we throw two dice simultaneously we get total 36 number, like 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, sorry, 1 3 till 1 6. Okay. Similarly, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, and 2 6. Then by 3 1, 3 2, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. And last સુધી આપણે જઈએ તો 6 1, 6 2, 6 3 till 6 6. It is called sample space when two dice are thrown simultaneously. Okay. And remember one more thing, there are two types of sample space. One is finite sample space, and another one is infinite sample space. See what is finite sample space? A space, the results will be countable. It is called finite sample space. એટલે કે જેના results આપણે ગણી શકતા હોય તો એને finite sample space કહીએ. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All five illustrations or examples are of finite sample space. And another type is infinite sample space. Infinite sample space. Okay. So infinite sample space means what? કે જેના results infinite હોય. Okay. A sample space in which the number of sample points are infinite. It is called infinite sample space. For example, weight of newborn baby. Okay. Let us take a weight equal to W. So weight of newborn baby is X. Sorry, we are taking W. W is such that we are starting from 1 kg. 1 kg less than equal to W less than equal to maximum we are taking 5 kg. Okay. In short, the interval of kilograms of newborn baby, weight of newborn baby is 1 to 5 means uh, weight of newborn baby is maybe from 1 to 5. Any number takes any number from 1 to 5. बराबर से and there are infinite real numbers lies between 1 to 5. તમે જો તો આની અંદર infinite number of numbers આવશે like 1.01, 1.001, etc. etc. It is called infinite sample space. Okay. Okay, next one is event or events. Okay, the results of an experiment is known as an event. Okay, for example, if a coin is tossed, head and tail are two events. Okay, we are taking one more example. If a die is rolled, we get one, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, it is sample space when a die is rolled. If I am taking a equal to odd numbers, then event A is 1, 3, and 5. If I am taking B equal to even numbers, then even numbers should be 2, 4, and 6. Okay. If I am taking C equals to prime numbers, maybe not 1, 2, 3, and 5 is prime numbers, or we can take a perfect square, etc., etc. Okay. So results of experiment are known as events. તો આપણે આ એક જ એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કર્યો, એક ડાય આપણે રોલ કર્યો, તેમાંથી અલગ અલગ ઘણી બધી ઇવેન્ટ્સ આપણે બનાવી શકીએ, ઓડ નંબર્સ, ઇવન નંબર, પ્રાઇમ નંબર્સ, એટસેટ્રા એટસેટ્રા. Generally events are denoted by capital letters A, B, C, D, etc. Okay. Okay, our next definition is complementary event. It is most important. Everything is most important in probability, but it is important in study of probability. The complementary event. See what is complementary event. Okay, here we can read the complement of an event A is aggregative of all the sample points of a sample space which do not belongs to A. In short, ઇવેન્ટ એમાં ન આવતા હોય એવા તમામ જે એલિમેન્ટ છે એને આપણે શું કહીશું, કોમ્પ્લિમેન્ટરી ઓફ એ. તો આ જે પાર્ટ છે ઇવેન્ટ એ સિવાયનો, ઓકે, all sample points do not belongs to A. It is called complementary of A. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Sorry, it is sample space. It is sample space, not A. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4, then what is A prime? A prime is equal to elements of sample space do not lying in event A. તો કે event A માં નથી આવતા એવા એલિમેન્ટ, તો કયા કયા એલિમેન્ટ છે, 5 and 6. Therefore complementary event of A is 5 and 6. Okay, it is generally denoted by A prime, A bar. Okay, or sometime it is also denoted by A raised to C. Okay, so ખ્યાલ આવ્યો what is complementary event. Our next definition is union of events. Okay, union of events is generally denoted by A union of B. It is aggregating of all the points of event A, event B, and event A and B both. In short, we can say that A union B means event A happen, event A happen, event B happen, and event A and B. Event A and B both happen, then it is called union of two events. Okay, this part shows us event A. This part shows us event B, and this part is A intersection B. અને પછી આપણે definition લઈશું, but this is event A. This is event A. Sorry, wait. This is event A, this is event B, and this is A and B both. A and B. Okay, so event A, B, and A and B both happen. It is called A union of B. Okay, for example, we are taking A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. મોસ્ટલી આપણે આ એક્ઝામ્પલ જ લઈશું એટલે તમને એક્ઝામમાં પણ રાખવામાં ઈઝી પડે. ઓકે, સો વોટ ઇઝ A union B? What is A union B? A union B means event A happen 1 2, event B happen 5 6. A and B both happen means 3 and 4 lies on both the events. Okay, 5 and 6. Okay, chalo, so A and B both happen, it is called union of two events. Next definition is intersection of two events. Okay, intersection of two events is denoted by A intersection B. And A intersection B means elements, common elements between A and B. When event A and B both happen, when event A and B both happen, it is called A and B both happen together, it is called A intersection B. This part shows us A intersection B. This is A intersection B. For example, event A equal to 1 2 3 4 and event B equal to 3 4 5 6. 4 5 6. Then what is A intersection B? Okay. A intersection B means common element between A and B. A and B both happen. 3 and 4, both the elements are common in A and B. Therefore, A intersection B is 3 and 4. Remember that the word and or multiplication is used for A intersection B, and the word sorry, and the word or plus sign is used for union of two events. Next definition is difference event. Difference event means there are two types of difference event. When only event A happen and B does not happen. B does not happen, it is called difference of A and B, and it is denoted by A minus B or A intersection B prime. Okay, as well as if event B happen, only event B happen, but does not A does not happen, it is called B minus B minus A means A prime intersection B. Here event B happen, A does not happen. Okay, we are taking our example. For example, U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. નથી પણ આપણે લખી લીધું A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now see A minus B equal to what? Only event A happen, B does not happen. તો આપણે અહીંયા લખવું હોય તો આ રીતે લખી શકીએ કે event A is 1 2 1 2 3 4. Okay, this is event A 1 2 3 4 and event B is 3 4 5 6. Okay, now see only event A happen, B does not happen એટલે આ જે highlight કરેલો છે part આવશે, it is called 1 and 2. Similarly, B minus A, event B happen, only event B happen, A does not happen. B માં આવતું એવું કયું છે તો કે 5 and 6. Okay, so the formula of A minus B is equals to A intersection B prime is equals to P of A, sorry, not P of A, આપણે હજી probability start નથી થયું. Sorry, A minus A intersection B. Okay, and B minus A equal to A prime intersection B equals to B minus A intersection B. Okay. It is called difference of two events. Next definition is exhaustive events. Exhaustive events, see what is exhaustive event? For example, U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. It is called a exhaustive event because in exhaustive events A union B is always its sample space. Okay. So in short, we can give the definition of exhaustive event. If A union B equal to U, then A and B are called exhaustive events. Okay. A union B equal to so to a sample space. Definition number 9, mutually exclusive events. Okay. Remember that for two events A and B, if A intersection B equal to empty set, then A and B are called mutually exclusive event. In short, if there is no common element between A and B, then A and B are called mutually exclusive event. See, this is event A, this is event B, and here nothing is common in A and B. For example, A equal to 1, 2, 3, and B equals to 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now find out A intersection B. Nothing is common. A intersection B equal to empty set. Then A and B are called uh, mutually exclusive event. Okay. આના પરથી એક આપણે extra definition લઈ લઈએ mutually exclusive events and exhaustive events. For example, first we are taking one definition. Okay. If A union B equal to U and A intersection B equal to empty set, then it is called mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. For example, A equal to, first we have to take a sample space. U equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Die is rolled. Okay. A equal to getting odd numbers 1, 3, 5, and B equals to getting even numbers 4, 2, 4, 6. Sorry, 2, 4, 6. Okay. Now find out A union B. A union B equal to A union B equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it is equals to sample space. And A intersection B equals to nothing is common in A and B. A intersection B equal to 5. Then A and B are called mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Next definition is equally likely event. Okay. Events are said to be equally likely if we have no reason to believe that one event is preferable to the other. Head and tail are equally likely events in tossing the coin. In short, for two events, the probability of happening of both the events is equal. It is called equally likely event. Okay. For example, if we toss a coin, we get either head or a tail, and the chance of getting head and tail are equal, so it is called equally likely event. Definition number 11, favorable cases or favorable outcomes. The number of sample points favorable to the happening of an event A are known as favorable cases. For example, in drawing a cards from pack of 52 cards, the favorable cases for getting a spade are 13. Okay. If we are taking B equal to getting a king, there are total four outcomes for getting a king: a spade king, a diamond king, a club king, or a heart king. Okay, so the number of sample points favorable to the happening of an event A is known as favorable outcomes. And this is our last definition: independent events. Events are said to be independent if the happening of one event does not depend upon the happening of or non-happening of the other events. For example, when a coin is tossed two times, the events of getting head in the first throw and that of getting head in the second throw are independent events. Okay. In short, કે બંને ઇવેન્ટ જ્યારે એકબીજા પર ડિપેન્ડન્ટ ન હોય then it is called independent event. When two events are not dependent on each other, it is called independent event. For example, if we toss a coin, getting head and tail are two independent events. Okay, so student, I hope કે તમને theory of probability ખ્યાલ આવ્યો હશે. Next, we will meet in next video with sums of probability or formulas of probability. Okay, so goodbye everyone. We'll meet next time.